Hello everyone. So in some of my recent videos, I was getting request about making a YouTube thumbnail for Clash of Clans game. So I did some research about this Clash of Clans game and found out that this game is recently going on with the Haaland's challenge, which is the game has made a collab with Erling Haaland from Manchester City. Is a popular footballer. So they are ongoing Haaland's challenge, and I decided to make a gaming thumbnail related to that. So I did some of the research and tried to test out some images, and I will be using this image. Okay, so you can just click on right click and click on save image as, and you can just download the image, which will be a WebP file, but you can easily export it on Canva and use it for your designs. Okay, so I will need this image and this image of the base. Okay, so let's see if I can make a good design out of it. So let's start with it. So I will be going to Canva. Okay, and I will click on YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and now I will just import the images which I have downloaded. Okay, so this one is done. Now I will just bring the first image, which is of the base, in here, and I will just make it bigger according to my requirement. Okay, so I will just move in here and I will use this image right in the left corner. Okay, so I'll just make it slightly bigger so that I get some more space to make the design pop out, or just highlight the main character of this Haaland character. Okay, so now I will bring it on here. I will make it bigger. Okay, so after that I will click on this character and click on edit image. I will go to image upscaler, and as you can see it is a little bit hazy, so I will go to upscale image and click on 4x and click on it. So as you can see, the before and after changes, and in the after section is very much prominent and very much high definition quality. So I will click on replace. Okay, so as you can see is very much in HD, and now after that I will click on go back to edit image, and in here I will go to shadows. Okay, and I will click on glow. Okay, and after that I will make some changes, and please note down the changes which I will be doing. Which is in here 55, in here 55, and intensity will be 80, and the color will be white. So either you can just bring it to the up here, or you can just use the code of F6 times. Okay, so this one is done. Now just click outside it. So many a times it might be possible that the effect doesn't show up. So make sure you just reload the page. And as you can see, now the effect is showing up. The glow effect which is showing up here. And now I will just make the image a little bigger. Okay. So it is done now. Now I will come to text here. And I will add a heading. And I will change the font to Bernardo here. Okay. And in here I will write the same, which is Haaland's challenge. As you can see in here. This is the spelling. So let's replicate the same. After that, just bring it here. Again bring it here. And now let's make the size bigger. So this I made to 96 and next I will make to 80. Okay, so this one is done. Now let's change the color of the text to yellow. Golden yellow, and for this challenge here I will write it here in white. But as you can see, if you see the thumbnail from this section, the text is not quite well readable. So for this I will go to effect and click on outline here, change the color to black and work on the intensity, and let's keep to 125. And I will do the same for this also. So as it is related to soccer, let's add a soccer ball for more good looking. So I will bring this soccer ball here and just add in here. So this is the design, and hope you like this tutorial, and in this way you can also make similar design for your Clash of Clans game. And if you are playing this game, you can just make similar designs if you want. But if you want more gaming thumbnail designs, just make sure you subscribe to the channel and let me know in which game I will make the next tutorial of thumbnail design. Hope you like this tutorial. Make sure you like the video and let me know in the comments what more changes I can make in this tutorial. Thank you.